So, Israeli Prime Minister Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu just sparked a very fresh storm in the Arab world. Recently, the Prime Minister reportedly spoke about a controversial idea, something that people are calling Greater Israel. Now, what does that mean? In simple words, it's the notion of expanding Israel's border to include parts of land that currently belong to other Arab countries. And that, my friend, is like poking a hornet's nest in the Middle East. The Arab League, which represents 22 Arab countries, is very angry right now. They have accused Mr. Netanyahu of openly violating the sovereignty of Arab states. Well, in diplomatic language, they are saying this is not just disrespectful, it is dangerous. Their statement warned that such talks don't just upset the politics, it threatens the security of the whole region. And they didn't stop there. They called it a colonial extremist fantasy, basically saying that Mr. Netanyahu is living in the past, dreaming of empire-style expansion. Egypt too, by the way, isn't staying quiet here. Cairo has demanded official clarification from Israel, calling the remark deeply troubling. Egypt, remember, one of the very few Arab nations that actually has a peace treaty with Israel signed back in 1979. So, when they raise their voice, it is a big deal. They have made it very clear that such statements could actually shake the fragile peace and stability of the Middle East. Now, let's just take one step back for a moment. Why does this matter so much? Because Greater Israel isn't just some political slogan that we are talking about. It's tied to decades of disputes, wars, and broken trust. Arab countries see it as a direct threat to their land and their identity. For them, this isn't just any rhetoric. It is a potential step towards redrawing borders in one of the most volatile regions on the planet. And wait, here's the irony here. These remarks come at a time when Israel's relationship with some of the Arab states have not been really good. They have been warming up through deals like Abraham Accord. But one comment like this, it risks undoing years of slow, careful diplomacy. So basically, in short, Mr. Netanyahu's words have reopened old wounds. The Arab League is furious. Egypt is demanding answers, and the whole region is now watching Israel's next move very closely. Because in the Middle East, words can be just as explosive as missiles.